You know that sound? Bonjour à tous et mabuhay po tayo dyan. Tu ou vous? One small word can change everything in French. You know that? Let's learn when to use tu and vous. Simple, clear, and useful every day. This is called le vouvoiement et le tutoiement. Okay, this is very important in France and in French language. Okay, let's go. So this time po, we have the règle important. Rule. What are these rules? There are two rules. We have the tu, is called tutoiement, and we have le vous, comme vouvoiement. When do we use tu and when do we use vous? We use tu, on utilise tu avec des amis, your friends, avec votre famille, your family, and of course, vos enfants, les children, and the person de même âge, okay? The children of the same age, okay? So we use tu again with your friends, family, and children, and with the same age. This is called informal way of using tu. Did you get it? Okay, please repeat. Tu is called tutoiement, and we use it for our friends, family, children, and people of your same age. Got it? Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, with the tutoiement with tu. Example. Tu t'appelles comment? Anong pangalan mo? What is your name? Tu es étudiant? Ikaw ba ay estudyante? You are a student? Tu es étudiant? This is masculine. But we are, tu es étudiante? If you put E à la fin, E at the end, it means she is a woman. Okay? So, tu t'appelles comment? Tu. Because she is a student and maybe you are older or you have the same age. Okay? This is called tutoiement. Get it? Okay, thank you. Next, we have le vouvoiement. What is vouvoiement? This is called vous. V-O-U-S. Vous. Vous. Okay? Vous. Vous est utilisé avec inconnu. Inconnu yung strangers. Di mo kilala. Personne plus âgée. Older people. Les situations formelles, like for example, they are your superiors. Plusieurs personnes, because there are many. Okay, vous. So, we use vous for that. Okay? Vous pour personne âgée, inconnu na di mo kilala, you don't know a stranger, and you need to do the respect, especially for the person âgée, yung matatanda na, old people, and also for the person formel for the office, okay? This is called vous as a sign of respect. Got it? So, vous is a sign of respect here in France. Got it? Thank you very much. So, let's give an example for vous. Okay? Example po na. Comment vous appelez-vous? Regardez, look. Vous, yung vous, dinugtong sa A. And it will become a Z. Comment vous appelez-vous? Vous. Tataas. Tataas yung intonation, na? Ano pong pangalan ninyo? Okay? With a question mark. But if it is not a question, is only an affirmative point or period. Okay? Point in French. Vous êtes professeur? Vous êtes professeur. Vous êtes professeur. Okay? Kayo ay guro. You are a teacher. It's an affirmative. Okay? So let's repeat. Comment vous appelez-vous? Vous êtes professeur. Vous êtes professeur. You are a teacher. Donc, ça c'est vous. Because it's a sign of respect. Got it? Thank you. En cas de doute, if you are in doubt, you use vous because you are safe enough. Okay? Like for example, so, vous êtes professeur? Okay? Vous, comment allez-vous? Okay. So, you use vous when you are not sure. Okay? But if you are sure, it's only the kids younger than you are or your students, all you need to use to, you can use to. Okay? They will understand. But if you are in doubt really for vous, but with the reg, you don't know the person, so you need to choose vous. Got it? So let's have an example. We have pratique example. We need to exercise, okay? Choose the tu or vous. Example. Choisissez tu or vous. Un est professeur. 2. Un, tu t'appelles comment? 3. Un, allez-vous aujourd'hui? Kindly choose. Et c'est tu or vous. So let's give the correction of the examples before. So we have vous êtes professeur. C'est une confirmation. Confirme siya. You are a teacher. Next, tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? This is younger than you are or kaibigan mo, your friend or someone younger than you are. Tu t'appelles comment? Okay? And T is tu. Tu t'appelles comment? This is pronomino. Okay? It's another reg. And we have allez-vous bien aujourd'hui? Allez-vous bien aujourd'hui? Okay. How are you today? Kumusta ka ngayon? So, you are not sure if it is tu or vous. So, it's better to use vous. Allez-vous bien aujourd'hui? Okay? So, I hope you get them all. Le vouvoiement et tutoiement, which is very important in France because we need to respect the people older than we are, the people that we don't know, the people that we need to respect in our work, so that you will be respected too, and you have a distance between you and someone, okay? You are not a friend of someone, okay? So, I hope na nakuha nyo po ang ating vouvoiement et tutoiement, and I hope po na you need to subscribe. Huwag nyo po akong kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like, at i-comment po for the next subject po natin, next lesson po natin. Okay? So, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt. Au revoir tout le monde. Au revoir.